hit close to home. The Scotts Mills earthquake started roughly 40 miles from where you are standing right now. Want to see what it might have felt like? Get ready in 3, 2, 1. Hold on.
It's forecast when you get a high of about 60 degrees up there.
Earthquake. An orange line earthquake.
Follow each step and safe. Drop, take cover, hold on. Let's try it. Drop, take cover, hold on.
Texas, Los
That one hit
Angeles.
close to home. The North Ridge earthquake hit Los Angeles, California in 1994. This powerful earthquake damaged
1994.
many buildings and freeways. Get ready.
That's
in
gonna
3,
be a big one, 6.7.
Hold on.
Not the risk of Franklin, 6.7.
Even in powerful earthquakes, you can protect yourself. Follow these steps. Stay safe. Drop. Take cover. Hold on.
Because it's an earthquake. This is what an earthquake feels like.
Drop. Take cover. Hold on. Wow. That was a big one. The 2011 earthquake that hit Oahu,
That's
Japan,
gonna be the
was one of the
biggest.
largest earthquakes
9.1.
Let's see what that might have felt like. In 3, 2, 1. Hold on.
That's gonna be a huge one. Biggest.
Really big.
Extremely big. Buildings are not collapsing.
This is what an earthquake feels like.
Pretend we're in Japan.
Drop, take cover, hold on. Let's try it together. Drop, take cover, hold on. We just shook for less than a minute. The actual Tohoku
Want to do
quake
another one?
lasted for nearly 6.